So hello guys, welcome back to the channel, and it's another day, another E30 problem. So this time we have a leaky fuel tank. Whenever the fuel level is around this middle of the pipe, or hose, how you call it, it starts leaking. And as you can see, there are two little pinholes. Yeah, one there, another one is there, and probably some couple on top. So, and they're leaking fuel. Yeah. Is it possible to save this fuel tank? And what would be the best for me to do it? And can I use like putty or something like that, or two-component epoxy to fix it? Or I should just basically remove the fuel tank and basically install something different, like different fuel tank that has kind of overly better shape than this one. So okay, I guess that's it for ranting about that E30 for today. And yeah, if you have some suggestions, feel free to write down in the comments. And yeah, cheers guys.